you for tuning in. Today we have a real exciting and fun project. I think you guys would really enjoy it. All you'll be needing is paint, canvas, cotton balls, and scissors or a Cricut machine to cut out your silhouette. So without further ado, let's hop into the video.